The universal fridge and cabinet lock from Business Machine Security has become a favorite of the medical and pharmaceutical industry. The top piece is featuring two industrial-grade adhesive pads that bond to the surface of your fridge or cabinet. Please position the pads as appropriate for your application. Use any of the holes in the top piece. Clean the fridge surface and the pads with the included wipe and apply the bonding agent. Let it cure for 24 hours. Your fridge door or cabinet is properly secured. For ease of use, our company can provide matching keys for multiple units.